Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Gas Can Vent Kit is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial accessories for anyone who regularly handles gasoline. A simple addition to your gas can, it dramatically improves the pouring process, minimizing spills and reducing the risk of fumes escaping, making refueling safer and cleaner. This video will dive into what makes a great gas can vent kit, helping you choose the perfect one to enhance your fuel handling experience. Number 5. Magicfour Fuel Gas Can Vent Caps. These vent caps are designed to improve the flow of fuel from your gas can. They're made from high-quality, durable materials to ensure a long lifespan. It's constructed from ethanol-resistant rubber and brass-coated galvanized metal. This makes them resistant to rust and corrosion. The screw-on caps and double rubber seals create an airtight seal, preventing leaks and spills. You'll have peace of mind knowing your fuel is secure. They fit various gas cans, both plastic and metal, with capacities of 3 or 5 gallons. They work with water cans too. Simply drill a hole, smooth the edges, and screw them in. The package includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. Each package contains 6 vent caps, a drill bit, wrench, metal plate, file, and stickers. Everything you need is included for a convenient experience. What we like. It is made of high-quality, ethanol-resistant rubber and brass. The leak-proof design with double rubber sealing rings prevents spills. If you value durability and worry about leaks, this is the perfect choice for you. Its easy operation makes installation a breeze, even for beginners. What people say. Good quality and value. When installing, place it into the hole on an angle and rotate the vent to insert the rubber lip. The provided drill bit and file was a big plus. No leaks. Good flow. These vent caps are amazing. They were easy to install and came with a drill bit to use to drill the proper size hole in the gas can. They were easy to put in and have made the vent issue with gas cans so much easier to handle. All you do is unscrew the top on these and you have a perfect size vent to get your gas out easily. These vents install just as the instructions said, which is a rarity. There is one step that is omitted in the installation that is very important. After drilling the hole, there will be a jagged burr on the inside of the can. This needs to be removed with a small rat tail file so the interior rubber ring will seat evenly. I like the cupped washer that fits over the exterior rubber ring. This prevents over-tightening of the nut so the rubber rings will not be deformed. These are brass and should last forever. The cap for the vent has a rubber ring in it also which seals the vent for times when one is carrying the can and doesn't want gasoline coming out the vent. All in and all a well thought out design that is secure, all metal and even looks good. Number 4. CM Concepts Gas Can Spout Kit. It features a unique long, angled design for easy, spill-free pouring. No more messy fuel transfers. This kit makes filling lawn mowers, vehicles, and other gas-powered equipment a breeze. It's designed for convenience and efficiency. It includes a filter screen to keep debris out of your fuel tank and a push-in vent for faster, safer emptying. It's designed to fit many popular gas can brands, including Scepter, Dot, Briggs, and more. 2 different base caps are included for maximum compatibility. Each kit contains a flexible spout cap, O-ring gasket, filter screen, 2 base caps, and a push-in vent cap. You get 2 complete kits. It comes with a 1-year warranty against defects under normal use, backed by US support. You can trust in its quality and durability. It may not be compatible with all gas cans, especially non-standard ones. Please check compatibility before purchasing. What we like. Its unique angle design ensures easy and spill-free pouring. The included filter screen keeps debris out of your fuel tank. If you need a reliable and compatible solution for various gas cans and prioritize clean fuel, this is for you. It's designed for easy use and compatibility with many gas can types. What people say. What a great replacement to those horrible safety spouts. The only way to buy a new can is with those poorly made and absolutely annoying valves that do not work for anyone with disabilities or problems with hands. ESP if you get to the 5-gallon cans. These nozzles work perfectly to replace the badly designed nozzles. They came with 2 different threaded lids to attach the nozzle to the cans that I bought elsewhere. US-made designed cans by the way, but with totally unworkable nozzles. Good quality product. Not cheap garbage. Like everyone else knows, these new federally regulated spill-free gas nozzles are an absolute pain to work with, and I spill more fuel using them. These fit perfectly only the 4 different brands of cans I have throughout the ages, and has a couple nozzle options, and it works exactly as expected. Funny how you spill less with a free-flowing nozzle like this, since you don't need to putz around with a 4-step process while holding up gallons of fuel. Number 3. JSP Fuel Can Vent Cap 5-Pack. This innovative vent cap ensures leak-free fueling and faster flow. It's designed for easy installation on various fuel can brands. The new and improved design includes a retaining lip to securely hold the vent in place. This ensures a reliable seal every time. It's manufactured right here in the USA, guaranteeing quality and durability. You can trust it for your fueling needs. It fits a wide variety of plastic and metal fuel jugs. Check the compatibility list to see if it works with your fuel can. Installation is straightforward. Simply drill a 31/64-inch hole and push it into place. It's that easy. It works with many popular brands, including Blitz, Wedco, Scepter, and more. See the full list for compatibility. This is a 5-pack, providing you with multiple vents for all your fuel cans. Get yours today. What we like. This improved design includes a retaining lip for secure installation. It ensures a leak-free, faster fuel flow. If you're looking for a reliable and widely compatible vent cap that's made in the USA, this is the one for you. It fits many popular gas can brands, ensuring a perfect fit. What people say. Removed an old air vent out of a gas can. It was really easy to remove with a screwdriver and some pliers. These new ones popped right in place easily and work great. These work great, easy to install. Performs as advertised. Easy to install with drill, bit, and small hammer or plastic mallet. Instructions are clear. Number 2. Fuel gas can vent caps. This kit includes everything you need for a smooth installation: vent caps, a drill, wire, wrench, and warning stickers. Everything is included for a quick and easy fix. It's built to last with quality brass and reliable rubber seals. These ensure a firm, leak-proof seal, even if the can is dropped or jostled. The screw caps and double rubber sealing rings create an airtight seal, preventing leaks and spills. No more messy fuel spills. These caps fit various fuel cans and help reduce air constriction. Enjoy a faster, smoother fuel flow with less splashing. Simply drill a hole, install the valve stem and rubber seal using the wire, and screw on the cap. It's that easy. They are rust-proof and wear-resistant, built to provide reliable service for years to come. A worthwhile investment for your fuel storage needs. What we like. Made with quality brass and rubber seals, it's built to last. The leak-proof design prevents spills, even with drops. If you need a durable, long-lasting solution that ensures a faster fuel flow, this is the right choice. The complete kit includes all necessary tools for easy installation. What people say. These are a must-have if you use gas cans on a regular basis. They install in minutes. Very simple. I recommend these. These gas can vents do the job. I got so tired of watching the gas drip 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 from the container into my riding lawnmower's tank. After adding these vents, boom. Drip 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 became whoosh. One of the best things I've purchased in the last couple of years. Work great on cans, without an existing hole. No leak so far. Number 1. JSP Universal Fuel Can Vent Caps. These new and improved vent caps ensure leak-free, faster fuel flow. They're designed for easy installation on various fuel can brands. With a retaining lip, it securely holds the vent in place after installation. No more worries about loose caps. These high-quality vent caps are manufactured right here in the USA, ensuring durability and reliability. They fit a wide variety of fuel jugs, including plastic and metal cans from popular brands. See the list of compatible brands on screen. Simply drill a 31/64-inch hole in your fuel can and push it in. It's that easy. This 10-pack provides you with plenty of vent caps for all your fuel cans. Get yours today. What we like. This improved design includes a retaining lip for secure installation. It ensures a leak-free, faster fuel flow. If you're looking for a reliable and widely compatible vent cap that's made in the USA, this is the one for you. It's a great value with a 10-pack for multiple gas cans. What people say. These vent caps were easy to install and work great. These vents are easy to install and keeps the gas fumes from building up. These worked perfectly to replace the broken vent caps on 3 of my old-style gas cans. Popped the old ones out and pushed these into place, no drilling required. Perfect fit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.